My God, what's happening?
Now, imagine turning those videos into massive money for yourself in this 2025. That is exactly what Google's brand new VEO3 can do for you in this 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how people are using Google VEO3 right now to build massive income for themselves. In fact, how people are using Google VEO3 to build their business, how people are earning massive income from Google VEO3. That is what I'll be teaching you right now in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because the part you skip may be most important part you need to watch and get everything done right. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we teach you how you can grow massive income for yourself and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos on how you can be making massive income for yourself and also how you can grow your business, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can be using Google VEO3 right now in 2025 and be making massive income for yourself and also how you can be using it to grow your business in 2025. Let's get started. And before we get started, what is Google VEO3? Google Veo3 is a new AI tool which Google just launched. This AI tool will help you generate high quality, realistic videos with your own ideas. Any ideas you want, how you want the video should be, Google Veo3 will bring it to life for you. That is what Google Veo3 is all about. AI tool that helps you create a realistic cinematic videos. You don't need to buy cameras, you don't need to hire producers or directors to start creating your own movies. You can start creating those movies with your smartphone or with your laptop. Only with your smartphone or with your laptop, you can start creating realistic cinematic movies. So that means Google Veo3 is not just a new tool. It's also a way which you can start creating content and sell online and get monetized and start making massive money for yourself in this 2025.
Now let's get started. And to get started, all we have to do is to go into our Google Play Store or Apple Store. We download this app called ChatGPT. If you don't know ChatGPT is an AI tool which you can use to edit image. You can also use ChatGPT to write your text. In fact, you can use ChatGPT to do a lot of things. It's an AI tool that helps you to do a lot of things that you want to do. So all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, your Apple Store, and you go and download it. As you can see, ChatGPT here. After you download it, you click on open and you sign up, you register your account with your Gmail account. So after you register your account, all you need to do, we'll be using ChatGPT right now to generate our prompt. I have a lot of prompts. I use ChatGPT here to prompt all my videos that I used to generate with Google Veo3. In my second channel there, all the videos you see on my second channel, all those videos are generated by ChatGPT. The prompt I used to generate those AI videos are generated by ChatGPT. But don't worry, in this video, I will also show you how you can generate your own prompt, how you can start your own prompt. For example, let me show you one prompt I have right now on my notepad. Now, this is my notepad. As you can see, this prompt you are seeing here, this scene too, here, I use it for the second scene that you are seeing on that video I played before this video started on this from the beginning of this video. This is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT and ChatGPT prompted for me. This is the prompt. As you can see, I say exterior compound, a car park, a young Nigerian Muslim woman in her early 20s with a smooth dark brown complexion over face. As you can see, these are what I gave to ChatGPT, to Google Veo3, and Google Veo3 helped me to generate this video that is playing right now. This video you are seeing, this is exactly what I gave to Google Veo3 and it generates the video for me. And that video, I can post it on any of my social media accounts and it's going to be monetized and I can make money from it. But don't worry, I'll also show you how you can generate a prompt like this and how you can convert this prompt to a video. I will show you everything in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Now I'll be showing you how you can start generating your prompt. For example, let me generate a type of prompt on that video. This type of video you are watching right now. let me show you guys how I generate the prompt. Now, this is what I will tell ChatGPT. I want to create video using VEO3. VEO3. So I want you to generate a realistic video for me where two young men are driving motorcycle in the market where they sell tomatoes. Hope you guys are following. I'm just doing it so that ChatGPT will understand what I mean. Tomatoes and a car accident hit them, and also keke napep was there and hit the motorcycle. And people were running. So this is what I want to give to ChatGPT now so that it can generate the video prompt for me. Now I will say act like a professional prompt engineer. Now as you can see, then I'll click on continue. Now after clicking on continue, as you can see, ChatGPT is generating the video prompt for me. So as you can see, it's generating the video prompt for me. Now as you can see, it said this is the video prompt ChatGPT just generates for us right now. It said a realistic cinematic scene in a busy African open market during the day. Two young men ride a motorcycle slowly through the cowherd market where women are selling baskets of fresh and tomatoes, peppers and vegetables. The market is lively, full of movement with some walking, shouting and selling goods. Suddenly, a speeding car crashed into the motorcycle, and at the same time, a yellow keke napep auto also calling. So you can just read all this thing. I don't want to be reading all this thing right now. So as you can see, optional. Now this is how the camera will rotate. So as you can see, with all these little things I say, ChatGPT has already prompted everything for me. And what I just need to do is just to copy this prompt right now and take it to an AI tool, which is Google Veo3, which will help us generate the video. Yes, Google Veo3 will help us generate the video, and after we generate the video, we can start posting it on our social media account. And when we post it on our social media account, maybe Facebook, TikTok, or any of your social media account is going to be monetized, and we are going to be making money from it. Let me show you how you can generate this video. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to tap on this text here. After tapping on it, we are going to click on copied. As you can see, we click on copied. We are going to copy everything. So after we copy, then the next thing we are going to do is to go to this website called Flow. Now this is the AI tool we'll be using, and it is called Flow. So all you have to do is to register on this AI tool, and if you need the link to this AI tool, you can let me know in the comment section of this video. And after you click the link, you need to sign up and you register. And after you register, they are going to show you need to subscribe for 1 month, so that after you subscribe for 1 month, you will not be charged. Don't worry, you will not be charged. You can just subscribe and you can cancel it immediately. So after you cancel it, then they are going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to click on new project. As you can see, these are some of the videos I've generated using this AI tool for free. You can generate videos for 1 month for free without paying for anything. And after you do that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on new project here. And after you click on new project, it's going to bring you to an interface where you are going to start generating your videos. And the next thing you are going to do is to change this from text to video, as you can see. And you also click here, and you also put this on VO3, as you can see fast. That is this one. Then after you put it on VO3 fast, then the next thing is to those prompt you copy from ChatGPT, you paste it here. And after you paste the prompt, as you can see, you paste the prompt here. And after you paste the prompt, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this next here, and to start generating your videos. I know a lot of you will be asking me question, how can you get registered on this website and start generating this video? If today is the first time you are coming across to these videos like this on how you can be generating AI videos like this, and you don't know how to register on this website, you don't know anything about this website, don't worry. I've made videos, several videos on how you can get started on this website. In fact, how you can unlock it and start using it for free without paying anything. I have those videos on my channel here. This is my second channel. You can go and watch those videos. As you can see, this channel teach you how you can make all videos you are seeing right here. These videos are made for free, so you can go and watch those videos. You will see a video there that will show you how you can unlock this website for free and start generating videos. These videos you are seeing here will put you through, so make sure you go and check that my channel. And after you check those my channel, you can search for the channel. You can start for the channel on YouTube, Learn AI with Musa, like this, and you are going to see the channel. So you watch those videos, it will put you through. And after you have learned it, then you click on down generate videos here, and you generate those videos. After you generate those videos, you can start posting those videos on your channel, maybe Facebook, YouTube, or any of your social media account. You can start posting it, and when you post it, you monetize it, and you also make money from it. And you can also make money from it even without posting this on your social media account. There are a lot of people right now looking for people who can offer this service, who can make AI videos for them. You collect money from those people, and you make these videos, you give it to those people, and you make your own money. So you can use this and be making money for yourself in all your social media account in this 2025. So
let me break it down and tell you how you can start using Google Veo and start making money for yourself. Now, how do you actually make money with Google Veo? I know that is the question a lot of people have been asking, but let me break it down into 4 simple methods. The first method which you can start using Google Veo right now to start making money for yourself is what we call freelancing. Offer Veo videos creation service on Fiverr, Upwork, local market. Clients pay you for art, YouTube intro, explanation videos, and social media content, as you can see. Now, the second method which you can start doing in this 2025 and start making money for yourself with Google Veo is YouTube automation. Yes, start a faceless YouTube content. Use Google Veo to create storytelling videos, tutorial, entertainment clips, monetize with ads, sponsorship, and affiliate links. So the third method which you can start doing right now with Google Veo is marketing and social media. Business needs ads every day. Use Veo to create short ads for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can charge $50 to $200 per video depending on the quality. So as you can see, now the fourth method which you can start doing right now with Google Veo and start making money for yourself is what we call affiliate marketing with videos. As you can see, instead of just writing posts, create Veo demo videos, show how a product works, then add your affiliate link. This builds trust and get more clicks. So as you can see, these 4 methods which I just shared with you right now, you can use any of it with Google Veo and be making massive money for yourself. The first one is what we call freelancing. The second one is YouTube automation. The third one is marketing and social media. And the fourth one is affiliate marketing with Veo. So you can also do that in this 2025 with Google Veo and be making massive money for yourself. Now, let me give you extra tips which you can use and be making massive money for yourself using Google Veo. Now, let's talk about massive income. The best part about AI tools like Veo is that you can build assets once and they keep working for you. For example, upload evergreen YouTube videos made with Google Veo. Those can keep any ad revenue for years. As you can see, create digital products like stock, footage, and templates using the O3 and still sell them on sites like Easy and Road. Build an AI generated content library that you can license to business. Now, let me also give you tools which you can combine with Google Veo and be using it and be making massive money for yourself. And as I promised earlier, here are 3 smart tools you can combine with Veo. The first one is ChatGPT or Gemini AI to write script. Yes, ChatGPT will help you write your script, which you can give to Google Veo, and Google Veo will help you generate the video. We also have Canva and CapCut. You can use Canva and CapCut to start editing your videos. The videos you generate from Veo, you can bring them to Canva and edit them more again so that it will look realistic. And the third one is affiliate platform like Digistore or Amazon Associates to turn your videos into money making machine. So you can use those ones. Now I know the question a lot of people will be asking, that is it really that you can make money with Google Veo? And the answer is yes. But if only you treat it like a business, you can start making money with Google Veo in 2025. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.